My name is Pieter Dreyer van Zyl and we are the developers of Outeniquoise Wildlife Village. My dad bought the farm in 1980 with the vision to develop it someday, but he wanted the lifestyle that him and my mom were enjoying living on the farm to also be available for the people who bought in. Outeniquoise is unique in the sense that it's a working game farm. So you have the 10 species of wildlife, it's over 200 heads of antelope, and they live in this magnificent habitat, sharing the habitat with 600 to 650 residents.
Toe ons hier aankom van Johannesburg af en ons het gekyk om hierdie kant toe te trek, het ons eers 'n plek gesoek met spasie, 'n plek waar ons kan buite lewe as 'n gesin. Ons is nog 'n gesin wat daarvan hou om goed saam te doen. En al die aktiwiteite wat hier is, soos hierdie rivier en die visvang, dit het ons aangetrek tot dit.
We only develop on 25% of the estate and 75% of it all remains green, serving as habitat for the wildlife and also for the enjoyment of the residents. So residents have this amazing 35 kilometers of hiking trails, cycling trails and green area where they can have a picnic or go fishing in the Brandwag and Kleinbrak River and enjoy it as a farm style lifestyle estate. Outeniquoise Wildlife Village also has its own private school, which is King's College at Outeniquoise, which is a Christian private school right on the premises. Something that's really unique about it is that it is an independent Christian private school and we're not part of a franchise or a corporate. We're around 340 plots sold. We have about 150 completed homes. We have 2 business plots of around 6,000 square meters right by the entrance of Outeniquoise. We plan some retail and offices there. We still have storage facilities for residents, for boats, caravans and other items. We'll probably develop that in the next year or 2. And then something that we're very excited about is the Outeniquoise resort component, which is 70,000 square meters of hotel and restaurant and conference facility with self-catering units to host weddings and conferences. In about the next 2-3 years, we'll start with that.
As jy die persoon is wat hou van spasie en buitelewe, is hierdie definitief een van die beste estates om in te bly. Vir ons om so op die plaaslewe te hê waar jy amper op 'n wildplaas bly, maar jy's 3 kilometer van die dorp af. Ja, dis eintlik baie lekker. Jy weet, die skool is naby. So vir ons is dit 'n groot pluspunt gewees. Jy kan dadelik kry wat jy wil kry, maar as jy vanmiddag huis toe ry en jy stop hierso, dan sê jy half buite alles.
So you have this feeling of space for the people who want more privacy and more of a farm lifestyle.